Theo, what's up? Do you hear? What is this? Huh? Oh! Where did it come from? Where is its home?
Return the baby home.
We need to find this baby bird's home. Let's go there. This is your home.
This is not its family.
Hooray! Oops. This is a bee's nest. Let's run! Ow! Huh?
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 Is this your home? Goodbye.
Oops! This is also not its home.
I have an idea. There is its home. Where is its home?
It's hungry. Let's go. We'll feed you.
All kids love burgers.
Oh. Yeah. I know what it needs. Yeah, duh. Ah. Huh? Since it eats bugs, it must live somewhere in the park. Here is its home. Hooray!
Birds live in trees. Oh, then we should also nest ostriches in trees. Didi, not all birds live in trees.